Top 5 New Programming Languages to Learn in September 2023. Learning a new programming language does more than just educate users on one specific area of coding. It can also help them sharpen problem-solving skills, boost their job opportunities, and get a better understanding of technology as a whole. This tutorial features the top 5 new programming languages to learn in September 2023. Number 1. Mojo Lang. Mojo Lang, the new programming language designed as a superset of Python. Just when we thought things couldn't shake up the tech industry anymore, welcome the new programming language that has been designed as a superset of the Python programming language. Number 2. Pony. Pony is a garbage-collected, type-safe language that supports actor models and references with no data races. In Pony, the data is identified as immutable, changeable, or isolated by a programmer with reference capabilities. Number 3. PureScript. PureScript is a completely functional programming language that can be translated into JavaScript. PureScript, which is most similar to Haskell, is ideal for developing web applications and server-side software. The use of pattern matching, algebraic data types, and type classes are all Haskell-like features. Number 4. Dart. Dart is a C-like language developed by Google that adds type safety to the JavaScript syntax. Dart is simple to convert to other languages, such as Java for Android, JavaScript, native machine code, or a standalone Dart virtual machine. It may also serve as a back-end processor. Dart is good at creating event-driven user interfaces, and the hot reload command in Dart makes changes made by developers immediately visible. Number 5. F#. F# is a platform-independent and open-source programming language that combines general-purpose and functional programming languages. Many software developers prefer using F# due to its simplicity to learn Python while providing a smoother experience than programming languages like C# and Java.